sexy like Vicky from bottom to top. Now, mommy.
I know you got me on your radar, but boy, you gotta step your game up. I got you looking, but it's not polite to say. So come on over, I ain't going anywhere. I'll make it worth it if you wait.
Welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. I'm here in Texas in this beautiful space, and we're going to learn Flavor. Add a Little Flavor by Pitbull. 32 counts, 2 walls, so that makes it a little bit easier, and it has a lot of Latin flavor. So here we go. I'll preview the steps, and then we'll break it down. So it starts with your left foot, which is different. So we do a heel, fan, and a coaster step, mambo, and a rock, recover, and a weave, and a slide, and a coaster step, and a step, lock, and a triple step, rock, recover, and triple step, touch, and weave, side together, forward. Start again, heel. So it starts on the left foot, 2 walls. First 8. Here we go with our heel, fan with our left foot. So heel, fan, and a coaster step, mambo step, mambo step. That's the first 8. With counts, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Good. Second 8. Rock, recover to the right with your right foot. Rock, recover, and a weave. Step left, slide right, quarter turn over your right shoulder, and a right coaster step. Good. With counts, we do a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Third 8. We do a step lock and a triple step. So we start with our left foot. It leads again. So left, step, lock. Good. Triple step with the left. Triple step. Rock, recover, quarter turn over the right, and a chasse or triple step. With counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great. Last 8. You touch right, touch cross in front, left, step back on your right, do it again on the side, then a weave with the left foot, behind side, cross, then we step to the right, step together, and step forward, right. Because then, that's our last 8, then we start with our left foot again to do the heel fan. All right, last 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. Let's put it together with words and then with counts. We start with our left foot with a heel, fan, and a coaster step. Mambo. Right mambo and a left mambo. Right rock, recover, and a weave, and a slide, and a coaster step. Step, lock, and a triple step. Rock, recover, and a triple step. Cross left, left, weave, together, and front. Good. With counts. Here we go. From the top with the heel fan. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. You've got it. I'll see you on the dance floor. Click subscribe. Thank you for joining me. Bye.